Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change lagger buffer size on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, scroll down again and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer option, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, scroll down and go to build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are now a developer. And okay guys, go back and you can see the developer options here in system settings. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to developer options. Here in developer options, scroll down and go to debugging sections. Here in debugging sections, you can see here the lagger buffer size. And the lagger buffer size is 256K per lag buffer. And okay guys, to change this, you'll have to do is tap this and the pop-up art show, okay? You can select N2 op or 64K or 1M. And okay guys, so I decide to change the lagger buffer size into 1M. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the lagger buffer size on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.